Hey everybody, it's Kristina from Kristina's Krafts. This is going to be one of two videos I'm doing this week using Dollar Tree blanks. This one is the mason jar and I cleaned everything off of there already, and I'm going to give the whole thing a coat of this elephant chalk paint. So I'm going to go all the way around the sides and everything. Okay, I have my mason jar all painted. Now what I'm going to do is, I have never done a galvanized look before, and I'm going to try to make my lid galvanized. I have this sterling silver, and I am just going to dry brush a little bit of this at the top here. Okay, I have the sterling silver on there. Now I'm going to take my steel color, and I'm going to put a little bit of that on there. So that's going to be a dry brush too. This is a little bit darker. Okay, now I'm going to take some of my white Waverly chalk paint, and I'm going to dry brush some of that on here. Okay, it's not really looking very galvanized. I'm going to go back in with my elephant gray here and dab a little bit of that on there. Okay, so I basically failed at that. So what I'm doing now is I am just going back in with my sterling silver, and I am just kind of painting over what I did here. I think it actually looks a little bit better. Looks kind of textury that way. So I'm just gonna go ahead and paint this whole top. Okay, it is time to start decorating it now that I have that top painted. It doesn't look as good as I was hoping it was gonna look, but that's just the way I guess it's gonna go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my matte Mod Podge, and I am going to put a coat of that on my sign here. I kind of want this to have a little bit of a shine to it, but not too much. Okay, then I'm gonna take this ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree, and I am going to put it, I'm thinking right about here. I'm going to cut that off, just right to here for right now. And then I'm going to put another one down here, and I'm going to wait for that to dry. Okay, now that that's all dry, I'm just going to use my sanding block that I got from Dollar Tree just to take these edges off here. Okay, I have both of those, all four of those, I should say, edges off there. Then what I'm going to do next is, I have these stickers that I got from Dollar Tree. I really like these stickers. I saw them and I'm like, I have to have these stickers. So I'm going to take two of the stickers. I'm thinking, I really like this one. And I'm going to take a little bit of hot glue on here. And I am going to stick my sticker in the middle of my ribbon right here. And then I am going to pick a different one. Thinking this one. And then that one is going to go on the bottom over here in the middle of my ribbon. And that is going to be it for that side. I think that looks really cute. Okay, then the next thing that I'm going to do is on the other side, and I got these glass stickers that I got at Dollar Tree. And these are going to go on this side of my mason jar. So not on glass, I'm going to stick it on my wood. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put another coat of Mod Podge on this side of my project. I don't know, I'm not really worried about the edges. I think the edges will be fine. Okay, now that I have my Mod Podge on there, I am going to put my stickers on. I wasn't 100% sure where I was going to put them or how I'm going to put them on, so I am just going to put them on and we'll see what happens. You know what, I think I was going to put all of these on here, and I don't think they're going to quite fit. So I might have to space these apart a little bit. Trying to pat that down without getting my fingerprints all over it. I think I'm gonna take this one. And then I should have just enough room for the skinny one at the end here. Wow, I think that looks really cute. All right, and then I'm gonna put this one right at the bottom here. Try to line it up. Maybe down a little bit. That might be too low. All right, and then I'm gonna wait for this to dry. All right, that is all on there. I think that turned out really nice. I really like that. Then the last thing that I think that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some jute around the top here. So I'm just gonna stick a little bit of hot glue on here. Move that down. And then I'm gonna wrap this around here a bunch of times. That way you won't see the line where I painted. All right, so I have that wrapped all the way around. Stick a little hot glue in here and hold that down. Okay, and then I am gonna snip this off of here. And then I think what I'm gonna do, I think this side looks good. I like the way that side looks. This one looks just a little plain. I think I'm actually gonna just make a little tiny bow to put on there. All right, I just made myself a little bow, and then I am just gonna hot glue this right on my jute right here. And then I'm just gonna let these little guys hang down. This one's not hanging where I want it to hang. You know what? It's being a pain, so I'm gonna have to cut it off a little bit. There, that looks pretty good. All right, so side one, side two. I think it turned out really cute, and this was pretty much all 100% Dollar Tree, so it didn't cost a lot to make. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you subscribe and hit the little bell so you get notified when I upload. And take care. Thanks. Bye.